Yo, you don't know. Red 14, as you can see, that Jacob White, you see me? When you're in on a mountain top, in on the back of bush or nothing like that, you see me? You don't know, bright and fresh and clean every day. You don't know, when I believe in a star, so when I wish for the stars, you see me? When I fall from the sky, you see it? You are the real general, you see it? Big up Tajay, you don't know, him around the place. Him I got sent to beat up puzzle, you see me? Because right now, puzzle one running, puzzle I get quest. And I send one of my little juvenile for question. I see the big man them want to talk now about eating and this and that and that. Please don't tell me about your business. When you talk about the eating thing, just keep it in the bedroom. You see me? Everybody know Red 14 thing different. We don't do anything low. You see me? Red 14, check out my video then. Watch my video then keenly. You see me? I never kiss a girl or grown there. You see me? Yo, someone just a look at hype right now, no? Cause see, type in for them name on the internet. As a matter of fact, up on the internet now, type in China K. Tell me where you come up by top. It's a Movo the rhythm come up by top. Type in Fuba, DJ Fuba. Tell me where you come. This is some DJ from over foreign. Type in Red 14, RED14. That is my name, no space between it. And tell me where you see. You see me, a star. Uno is a falling star. Don't talk to no. Anything or anything. Not a promise man back. I'm glad to God give me 2 hands. I'm not stand up to my jack and yo, talk to them.
I tell you, dog, right now, none of them can box me nigga. Because I pay a gunshot right now. Rise up the gun man right now. I tell you, say, Ryan there, so with the massive on him waist. No one knows him, happy. Yo, lock off.